Now in this part we will going to discuss one by one different parameters which can be utilized for evaluation of microspheres. First of all, determination of particle size and shape. Initially for microparticles and multiple particles, we have to find out the particle size and shape. By to determine this, we may use different instrumentation techniques like SEM, TEM and others. And followed by next study is drug entrapment efficiency study. This particular study ensure about the amount of drug available in the formulation, so that we can have a idea about the exact amount of drug which is available in the formulation. Now in vitro dissolution study, which is the most crucial study for pharmaceutics aspect. In this particular study we will try to find out the amount of drug release and drug release pattern of different formulations. Next, surface charge and surface morphology. This is another crucial study as far as small particulate formulation is concerned. Here we have to find out the different surface charge which is applicable for a different formulations. Next, flow property and density of the preparations. These are the another two different important parameters which are required to be evaluated for multi-particulate drug delivery systems. Now after evaluation parameters, moving towards the application part, what are the major and basic applications of microsphere drug delivery system? Let's see the applications. The technology has been used widely in designing of control release and sustained release dosage form to mask the beta taste of drug or unpleasant taste of the drug, for example paracetamol, to reduce the gastric or other GI tract irritations. Sustained release aspirin preparation have been reported to cause significantly less GI irritation and bleeding, therefore in comparison of the conventional one. So this is one of the aspect. In some drug may show some irritation and other effect on the GI tract. To overcome this effect, we can utilize this type of concept. A liquid can be converted to the pseudo solid for easy handling and storage of the drug. This can be also done by this technique. And hygroscopic property of core material may be reduced once it will be converted into the microencapsulation. Microencapsulation are also are most productively used for those duck who are environment sensitive and they are sensitive to the light, moisture and other things. No, they are also, this particular drug delivery system can be used rather than all the above on all the mentioned points. Different other things that going to be considered for application of microsphere. For example, microsphere drug delivery systems can be utilized for drug targeting also, or specific site of drug delivery system it can be also utilized effectively. So these are all the applications about the microsphere drug delivery system. From the now moving towards the next part, we are going to discuss about the outcome of this study.